Okay.
You will be at the center of the boat.
Okay.
Have you tried this in US?
We don't have boats like that.
You don't have a boat like
No, these are unique to the Philippines, or at least to Southeast Asia.
Bante daw. Go forward further. I'm a driver.
Do you like Titanic?
Tito, you forgot to bring, the metal that you're just going
That's
to
okay.
connect.
I can hold it.
Oh, okay.
Because that way I can point it exactly where I want to.
So you only
So.
experience this in the Philippines.
Yes.
Right? Only in the Philippines.
It's more fun in the Philippines.
Enjoy, kuya. Ito, we miss you. Miss you to.
Buta ng tisa din ka, oh. Bangan na to.
Kuya, malangoy man ka ni.
Oh, malawan mo kayo.
Hindi ka ba
Ay,
Kalog mo sa along. Kalog ito sa party. Hindi ka rin sa manila ka kami. Hindi ka kalog langoy. Because my mom. It's my mom. It's my mom. Adong me.
Ito daw, wala ka ito.
So much big socket.
Tindog ka ba?
Ay, wala na. Loud na.
Hello. Malawan mo magunaw?
May tabukan. Dili ka balo mo langoy. Nagpapaba mo daw ko no. Sorry? What was your experience?
It's good so far.
You feel nervous?
Now I'm getting over my drone almost crashing.
He's more nervous with the drone.
Yeah, I was out of control. That thing was at the mercy of the wind.
Are you good? Wow.
Saan na yung yan?
Ano sa lobo? Malapay lang daw ko na yung pangalan. Pwede mo ito makabalik sa hotel.
Pwede na lagi po, maniraman na siya. Magbuhat.
Oh, paano pa daw tayo lang pinaw?
Di ba napasudan, masilalag.
Kuya, pwede ko lang po na. Ito dyan ang driver. Yan na lang katulog ka pala. Ha? Parang napag.
We're really close to the villa, aren't we?
Yeah.
So if like there was a calm morning and I walked over here, I could just do a drone video then if I can't do one today.
Ay, okay na po ka. Wala na rin nakakumbag para di sa kumbag.
Ako rin lagi ka ito sa atin. Ano rin ka maulig? Okay, Lord.
Buwan, umaunta. Mawin karon ta adlaw.
Basta lang dyan po to.
Wala nga mo siya lagi kay. Ano?
Gawan mo niya po ito kamigin. Kamigin. Kaya, dita, dili daw ito ba?
Hindi daw. Wow!
Dito, that's the old volcano.
Yeah.
The one that is being covered up with the fog, that's the Iwok.
Aren't they all volcanoes?
Wow.
Happy. Hi everybody. Everybody. Sakit. Dili pa
Hindi ba?
Wow.
Ay, hindi ba si Jumarin? Ay, ba? Hindi si Jumarin.
Sana.
Water with white sand.
Not in the grave.
Yeah, that would be my first choice to be start